Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Hollandaise sauce for eggs Benedict. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring your butter is melted and your eggs are at room temperature. This easy method will help you achieve a smooth, creamy sauce perfect for any brunch. We'll cover everything from whisking the yolks to the final seasoning, making it simple for you to master this classic. To begin, carefully separate 3 large egg yolks into your heat-proof bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to the yolks. Place the bowl over a pot of simmering water, creating a double boiler. Whisk the mixture continuously until it thickens and lightens in color, becoming frothy and almost ribbon-like. This step is crucial for a stable sauce. Now slowly drizzle in 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter, a few drops at a time, while whisking vigorously. This slow addition and constant whisking are key to creating a stable emulsion and preventing the sauce from breaking. Continue adding the butter in a very thin stream until the Hollandaise is thick, smooth, and glossy. Patience here pays off. Once your Hollandaise has reached the desired consistency, remove it from the heat. Season with a pinch of salt and a dash of cayenne pepper for a subtle kick. Taste and adjust the lemon juice if you prefer a tangier flavor. Serve your warm, luscious Hollandaise immediately over perfectly poached eggs and toasted English muffins for an unforgettable eggs Benedict.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.